Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to Digicode Productions. Now, we're approaching the end of 2017, and at the end of every year, you start to look back and think, what were the things that made that year up? Well, the number one search for 8 to 16-year-olds in the Republic of Ireland, the number one search in 2017, and this is for 8 to 16-year-olds. It's the number one search on Facebook, on Google, and it far outnumbered any other search. It was how to make slime. It included searches like how to make slime step by step. How do you make slime without borax? I had to look borax up. How do you make slime easy? And how do you make fluffy slime? Homemade slime for little hands was a massive search in 2017. I stand completely bemused and baffled. Thank you very much.